Okay, let's talk about the fingering for these arpeggios just for the right hand. We're only going to do the ones that are the keys that are in common. So the key of C is 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. The key of D, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Key of E, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Key of F, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Key of F sharp, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Key of G, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then A, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then B, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. That's just for the right hand. Those are the ones that are in common. Let's look at the left hand now. Okay, so looking at the left hand, we have our pinky is going to play a C. We'll start at the C down here. And we're going to do 5, 4, 2, 1. And then 2, 4, 5. Key of D, 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5. Key of E, 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5. Key of F, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5. Then F sharp, 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5. Key of G, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5. And the key of A, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5. And the last one, the key of B, 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, so now we're going to play it together with both hands, but we're going to play it like this. I call this hopscotch. So we do, see that? 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Come back down. Do, mi, so, do, so. Just like that. And we do the next one, same thing. Okay, all right, so now let's try it with the music. I'm gonna try to take it at a steady tempo so it's not too fast. Here we go, starting from the very beginning. Here we go, 2, 3, 4. Next one, the key of D. Go to the key of E. Here we go. Let's go to the key of F. F sharp. Let's go to the key of G. All right, now we're gonna move to the key of A, and I'm gonna bring my thumb actually down to here to this A. Pinky's gonna play this A. 3, 4. Now we're going to the key of B. Okay, excellent. All right, so now, since we have an understanding of those are the ones that are in common, right? The same key signature from C all the way up to B. Now we're going to do the other side of this, and that is looking at the other black notes. Let's look. Okay, so the fingering for the right hand, where there's only 3 other keys that we did not go through, which is the key of D flat, the key of E flat, the key of A flat, and the key of B flat. So the fingering for the key of B flat, we play 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2. Again, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2. E flat, same thing. 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2. A flat. 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, and then B flat. 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2. All right, now let's look at the left hand now. Left hand, we're going to start with finger 2 here. And we're going to do 2, 1. And then finger 1 is on that F. And all we're going to do is bring our thumb, keep our thumb on the F, and bring our 4th finger over to play the A flat, and then 2 again. 4, 1, 2. Do that again. 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2. E flat. 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2. Again, 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, and then A flat. 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2. 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2. E flat. 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2. All right. That's the fingering for right hand and the left hand. Okay, so now that we know the fingering, let's play it. Let's play it in the key of D flat. We're going to start with finger 2 on this D flat, finger 2 on this D flat, and we're going to work our way up. Here we go. 2, 3, here we go. Cross over. Here we go to E flat. Here we go. Let's go to A flat. Here we go. Very last one, we're going to B flat. Here we go. All right, that is it. So we're gonna make sure we practice that, have fun with it, have fun, and I'll see you later. Good job.